I want to quickly show you what I bought from IKEA. So these are meant to be faux flowers. They're not meant to be, they are faux flowers, peonies. And I took a whole bunch because I don't like them looking very scanty. So I had to take quite a few. I believe there are 10 or 9. Because there are parts of my bathroom where flowers and plants just don't grow, and I want to put a bit of color. So I'm going to use these. A toilet seat for my baby. We're about to start toilet training. So this was quite cheap in IKEA, so I grabbed one of them. Hopefully it fits our toilet and we can start our toilet training journey. Wish me luck. I'm not looking forward to it. I love these serviettes. They are just like a creamy, neutral, whitish brown. So I normally buy these or the white ones. 2 packs. Then my daughter, my eldest daughter, she is a fan of sushi, and we don't have nice sauce bowls. And she likes to mix the soy sauce. There should be small enough bowls for her to mix her sauces. I'm gonna go through this very quickly. Just a mat, a simple mat. I'm going to put this where the washing machine is. I think we have I know we have a black one, and I just want to make the space a bit bright, so I bought a beige one. I have 2, so I have one old one downstairs and this new one, so that it covers both machines. I'll get rid of that. Get rid of the receipt quickly. I like the color of this mug. I think it's a very pretty. Oh, there's a chip in it. Okay, that's going back to IKEA. Oh dear. Okay, I like this, but it's going back. I didn't see that. These pillowcases, I have some different ones, and these are just a bit textured, so I like these. So I took, was it 4 of them? Yeah, I took 4. And these are just storage bags. I think everyone has these, right? They're very handy for food, especially with baby. I put a lot of baby things in this. And lastly is the plant basket, or I don't know how to call it. Yeah, something like that. So you can see I have one there already, and I need this one to match my other plant so that they both look the same, and that's it. So I better get rid of this stuff very quickly, and then you can enjoy the rest of the vlog. Thank you very much for everyone who is watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you're liking these vlogs. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. When you are at IKEA looking cute, hey! This is what moms do. We go to IKEA and we think we have the club, right? Oh, hi! This is like the classic IKEA pillow. I think everyone that I know who goes to IKEA has this pillow in their house. Is that true? I think they've had it for years now. I really like this one. I like the beige. I think I might take this one. This phone cannot focus. Why is the new iPhone 14 Pro Max so horrible at focusing? Look at that. And I'm trying to press the button for it to focus and there is just no focus. Ugh. I have one of these already at home, so I'm going to pick, I've already picked up one more so that my plants can match. And I might get a plant as well if I can carry it, because I'm all alone and yeah, I can't seem to carry everything. Let's see if I can carry a plant with me. Got my IKEA bits, not too many this time. I've behaved, I've been a good girl. It's absolutely raining, covered in rain. It's wet, sweaty, it's humid, but wet. Whew. I'm in the car now. Look, I'm absolutely drenched, but it was a successful IKEA shop. I got a few things that I wanted, not too much, which is always good because you know how you can spend lots of money in IKEA. Time to go home now. Yeah, and get cozy because this weather is not going to improve. Apparently it's meant to be a thunderstorm, stormy kind of day and night. So yeah, look at how bad it is through the window. But luckily I got the baby in. She's there. I got the baby in before it started to rain like this. So she's fine at the back. So now we're going to drive home. See you later.